Hey guys, it's Matt Pittman with Meat Church Barbecue. Today we're gonna be unboxing the brand new Traeger Timberline XL, and then I'm gonna talk about some of the sweet new features. Well, shout out to my oldest son, Christian, for helping me build this. Really takes two people to get these grills built, so I appreciate his help. But let me tell you a little bit about the Timberline XL. So I've said for a while, if you Google next level pellet grill, this is what's gonna come up. This thing is built like a tank. I've actually been cooking on it for about 6 months. Got one back there under that cover. By the way, really heavy duty, amazing cover that you guys will love. But let's talk about some of the features here. This is gonna be one of the first videos, maybe the first video on YouTube on the Timberline XL. And I wanna show you some of the things that I'm super excited about that I know you guys will love. So it's slightly bigger than the Timberline 1300. There's 1,320 inches of cook space, but let's take a look under the hood. Fully insulated. I mean, this thing, I'm telling you, it is built like a tank. Check out these grates. These things are so crazy heavy duty. You guys are gonna go nuts over this. So I've had 6-packer briskets in here with more room. I've also had 8 pork butts at once, and it handled it just great. A lot of cool accessories you can add. This is like a veggie tray. This thing is heavy as heck. It could be used as a weapon. Could cook fish in that as well. You'll see right here, all of the grease will evacuate right here in the middle now. This is new, this is an upgrade, and I'm gonna jump straight to one of the coolest features on this grill, right down here at the bottom. You guys are gonna love this. Open the door. This is called the keg. Look at this. All of your grease, all of your ash evacuates into one place. This is the easiest cleanup ever. No more trying to pull that tray out on the side of the Timberline or worrying about the bucket on the side. Everything comes in one with the, obviously, all the disposable liners that you're used to. This is super awesome and easy. We've got a bin in here to hold pellets if you want to change out your pellet flavor. Great shelves over here. I find that on mine that I can keep a ton of stuff outside on my grill and under my cover, which I love. The pop and lock accessory rail here that you've got going, completely customizable. So you guys can customize your experience to whatever you want on it. And a few of the things that I have on mine, I've got 3 on here today. I've got a caddy that I put all my Meat Church rubs in. We've got the shelf. Everybody was asking for a big front shelf on a Timberline, obviously delivered in this model. Little butcher paper holder. So for you brisket guys and gals out there, I can do everything outside. Rip off my paper, wrap everything right here. Well, and while we're here, let's just get to probably the coolest feature, the Induction Burner. So I helped introduce this grill to Traeger dealers, and I did a reverse sear tomahawk ribeye, and you would not believe how quick this thing got to nearly 600 degrees. I mean, it was super fast. I love that it's induction, it's safe, so my kids won't reach up here and touch it and burn themselves. You've got to have a pan on top of it. We've done fish tacos out here, we've done shrimp and grits, we've smoked wings, and then we fried them. You could just fry stuff out here so you don't smell up your house. So obviously that's a long time coming and probably one of the biggest features. Let's talk about thermometers. You guys are all used to these, what I call leave-in thermometers, and I've always said that, you know, no grill company is putting an expensive thermometer in their pellet grills. Well, this will support now 2 of these traditional wired thermometers, but it also comes with 2 wireless meter probes, and it will support 4 of these. How badass is that? You plug in, monitor from your app, monitor it all from your Traeger app. I mean, just super, super handy little magnetic case here. You know, and I didn't fire it up to show you, but it has a full color user experience, which is super, super cool. I can't say enough good things about this thing. You can actually also build this into an outdoor kitchen if you're creating the dream kitchen that you want in your backyard. So, man, I can't say enough good things about it, but you're gonna have a ton of fun on this thing. This is nicer than the range in most people's houses. And like I always say, I ain't too mad about that. But if you're new to us, please like and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of cooking videos coming on this. In fact, there's one coming out the day that this releases to kind of show you guys some of the features. I'm one of Traeger's barbecue guys, so I'm gonna be cooking on this thing all summer, bringing you guys recipes on meatchurch.com and videos here on this channel. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see y'all next time.